Hey girl, hey girl. This week we are talking about trash. Who's got it? Who wants it? And how do you hold on to it? Welcome back to Laugh Cry DIY, the channel where I try to craft my way out of fear, panic, and capitalism. Here's what happened. I have some neighbors, let's call them trash, and they moved out, and instead of taking all of their belongings 1 mile away to Goodwill, they threw everything they owned in the trash. Shoes, hats, pillows, glassware, everything. This was not a bedbug situation, this was a trash situation by trash people leaving trash. Here's the good news. One dysfunctional couple's trash is this witch's treasure, because I was able to rescue this little cutie from the pile. Apparently it's the merriest stool from Ikea. It's like $6. I've seen it in thrift stores. I've seen it at cheap stores. It's pretty much everywhere. Now right now the stool is pretty cute, but honestly she could be freaking hot if we did a little glow up. So here's what I have in mind. I have been loving these chairs by Anthropologie. They're about $500 million, and I'm not gonna be able to afford those, but I am really loving the deep blue and gold vibes. So I thought what I could do is I could do a mini version, do a cute little upholstered stool for my vanity, and give her a little Anthropologie glamour. Can we do it? Only God knows. Now we are just gonna spray some gold. I'm just taking the stool top and a piece of, I think like 1/4 or 1/2 inch plywood, just drawing a simple circle that we will cut out. Next, I'm just drilling a simple hole to start the jigsaw. Look, it's perfect, yay. So did you guys notice the stupid thing I did? I have been cutting out another project all day, my cane cabinet, check it out. I have been cutting out insets all day and forgetting that this was actually supposed to be a totally solid structure so that someone can sit on it. So why did I put the pilot hole in? I'm stupid. Now I've compromised the integrity of the structure. But note to self, don't be dumb. Okay, since we spray painted and we cut a round circle to reinforce the stool, we're gonna take this beautiful, soft, sweet, but also strong and powerful piece of foam that I got from downtown LA for $5, and we're gonna trace out the top so that we can get a little cushion for sitting. So we're just gonna very simply trace around this with a Sharpie. Now, if there's one thing that drag queens have taught me,
I am annoying, I am fake.
Because they use this type of foam to make their hip pads, it's that what you should use to cut this foam is an electric turkey meat cutter thing. I don't have that, obviously. So I think what I'm gonna do is use this dagger, which I always carry on me, and use it to simply saw around the shape. I might even go a little bit outside the perimeter because I don't mind if it hangs over a little bit. Ta-da! Okay, so it's a really good thing I actually kind of cut outside that circle because this bad boy is actually a little bit wider than the stool itself. This is literally like just to the rim of that. Now we're just gonna take some spray adhesive and spray the foam to stick onto the wood. Next, I'm just gonna take Gorilla Glue and glue the wood part of the stool onto the existing plastic top of the stool. And to make sure it sticks, I'm gonna put super heavy stuff on it. While that dries, I'm gonna go walk my cat. Wanna go on a walk? Yeah. Show the people how cute you are. All right, our weird little layer cake of plastic and foam and wood is finally dry, and now it is upholstery time. So I was trying to manifest the perfect fabric, which would be some sort of navy blue velvet jungle print. Now I went everywhere to try to find that fabric. I went to the fabric district in downtown LA. I went to Joann's Fabrics. I went to a mortuary to look at their coffin fabrics. What the stores had was not that. What I did find was this fabric. It's navy blue, it has some nice florals on it. The leaves almost look like birds, and I like that. I like fabric that lies to you. So I just got 1 yard. I think this was like $4 because we're just doing this little weird cake. This is the part of the video I thought I'd never have to make because I hate ironing. She's beautiful. Almost forgot. We're also gonna take some batting and cut that out so that we can do the foam and then the batting over it. Fun fact, anytime you're gonna do any sort of like upholstering, you wanna make sure that you do have batting on top of your layer of foam so that the fabric won't like slip around and stretch. FYI, the trick is to go very, very slow and pull very, very tightly. And when you're upholstering something that's round, you almost make like little pleats. Now we have this beautiful, adorable little upholstered stool top, and we're just gonna be very boring and just cut off all the excess so that we can screw it back onto the base and be done. Okay, this little trim here is really giving me like Mrs. Claus vibes. Last step, we're putting the base on, and we will have our grand reveal very soon. Guys, it's time. We've spray painted, we've sawed, we've shopped, we've upholstered. Now it's the big moment. You have seen it basically already come together, but here is your final look. So tell me, what did you think? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did it make you want to reconnect with your estranged father? Let me know. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe. If you like trash, you will love my channel. Until next time, see you in the dumpster.